This is my dog, Maggie. I've always had her for a while, but you guys never seen her. Oh, and I'm getting a new dog today.
Bob, you have new dogs here.
Come here, doggy.
But don't let it look at you face to face. If it looks at you, because your age level. If you want to live to be 100, you live to be 30.
God, no, get it.
Go get your new dog.
Come here, new doggy. Come here. Let's go get it. Come on. All right. This is my new doggy. Take me to... Oh! Ah!
Bob, did you hit the dog in the face?
No.
Bob,
Yes.
do you want to live to be 30?
No.
Then don't look at the dog's face anymore.
Well, stop, Ken. Oh my God. Well, it's pretty bored. Maggie! No! Typical dogs. Always fighting. Typical.
Bob's set too.
Hi! I invited a friend over, so just let you know, okay? So, Bob,